Hey everyone, it's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network, broadcasting live from the Exhibitors event here in Las Vegas. It's anything and everything to do with what you need whenever you have an exhibition booth, whether it's booth size, color, construction, build out. We're going to take a walk around and I'll show you some of the different things that are here at Exhibitor Expo. Haven't seen these in a while, so maybe they've updated them a little bit to be more digital. But I think it's great in case you need it for any type of exhibition type thing. There's a lot of companies here looking for dealers for their products. Again, a lot of exhibits can be built out of existing materials. Or any type of material that you want. I've noticed a lot more doing on the recycling side. It's not that massive, but it is a nationwide exhibit. Make sure you follow us on YouTube for Sync Media Network and share it on all your social platforms. Company just specializing in lighting.
Well, they're enticed.
Modular design. Some people have actually gone out of their way with their exhibit. Remember, we saw this at an earlier concert this year where you could have this outdoor meeting room. We'll take you over there and show you real quick. Portable, completely collapsible. Even has an upstairs. Excellent product.
These are fully custom acrylic foam stands. It's a great little thing.
This is Prism Light. I'm sure we've all seen these where you look like it goes on to infinity.
My favorite song.
So let's slide down here. We're going to be here for the next day, but we're on our way to a couple other conferences. But this is something else that you also must take into consideration. Everything is going the hologram way, and there's now even hologram, which we saw at AVN, where they actually stand up out of the hologram form. Apple seems to be the biggest purveyor of that and what they're doing. Another beautiful exhibit booth. Again, you can have them done any which way you want with any type of materials that you want.
so they will want to stop, at least find out, what's going on. What they don't realize.
So let's go down this way. We'll show you some more over here.
About your company before they ever step foot into the booth. So here's what I'm now going to attempt to do: to recreate the shot that I used to win the U.S. Trick Shot Championships of Pool. I'm now going to shoot the cue ball at the right speed and angle. And
you remember this guy from CES?
Yellow ball.
Who's outstanding. We did a long video of him on there. So make sure you stop and check him out too. Gifting for trade shows. Looks like they're actually doing a live podcast while they're here too. So I'm going to shut it off for now, and I'll come back in a couple of minutes with another program. Back to you in the studio.